Hello everyone, my name is Harika and today we'll be talking all about Streamlit and a Streamlit project. Streamlit is more than just a Python library. It's a gateway to a world of limitless possibilities in web design. Gone are the days of wrestling with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. With Streamlit, the power to craft captivating web applications lies at our fingertips and all within the familiar confines of Python. Just imagine a toolkit brimming with interactive components and each designed to captivate the audience and elevate the web design to new heights. With Streamlit, crafting a dynamic user interface is as simple as writing few lines of Python code. If you need a slider to adjust parameters, consider it to be done. Craving a button to trigger some actions? Look no further. Streamlit empowers to unleash the creativity without the constraints of traditional web development frameworks. With its intuitive layout and styling capabilities, one can transform the vision into reality with unparalleled ease. Whether for crafting a sleek dashboard or a stunning visualization, Streamlit provides the tool for need to bring the designs to life. Now, let me quickly open my VS Code and let's see a Streamlit project. So we have the web application designed to streamline data visualization, database interactions, and API development. This first page serves as the main entry point for our Streamlit application. It imports various functionalities from other pages, such as authentication, data visualization, the SQL integrations. Users can navigate between different pages using the sidebar menu, allowing for the seamless interactions with the different features of the application. So now, let me try to run this. All I have to do is just type in Python -m streamlit run me.py is the name of the page. Yeah, it will take a couple of seconds. Yeah, here it is. So we should be having our Streamlit app soon. So yeah, so let's try to explore the fast API integrations by the time the Streamlit apps get loaded. So by integrating Streamlit with fast API, we unlock a whole new level of functionality and flexibility. The Fast API is a modern web framework for building APIs with Python. Seamlessly complements Streamlit's capabilities, allowing us to create dynamic and data-driven applications with ease. And here we have the Streamlit app ready. So this is the OAuth page. In this page, we have OAuth authentication using Fast API. It provides endpoints for the user login and token generation, ensuring secure access to our application's features. By leveraging OAuth Password Bureau from the Fast API security module, we can authenticate users securely and efficiently, protecting our application from unauthorized access. Now let's provide the login ID and the password. Once we click on this button which says login, we should be getting a message that authentication successful, and here it is. So after receiving this message, we should be able to access the other pages as well. Yeah. So let's go ahead and let's see what's there in operation with SQL Server. With Streamlit and Fast API, we can seamlessly integrate our applications with SQL databases, enabling us to store and retrieve the data with ease. Whether it's inserting new records, querying the existing data, or performing advanced analytics, Streamlit and Fast API provides the tools we need to unlock the full potential of our data. So in this page, we can insert the data. Let's say I want to insert some data. 169 is the employee ID which I want to insert. And let's say Deepika Be the first name, Deepika, and then last name, Narimpalli. Yes. And salary something around 67K. So all we have to do is just click on this button, which is insert record. So once we get the message as record inserted successfully, we can also, go and read the record by selecting the option read here. So 169 Deepika. Yeah. So yeah, here it is. The employee ID 169, the first name Deepika, last name Narimpalli, and the salary 67. Isn't it cool? So let's go ahead and see what's there in this page, which is plot. Here we are going to dive into the world of data visualization. So with Streamlit and Plotty Express, we can create stunning interactive graphs and charts that bring our data to life. Whether it's scatter plot, bar chart, or animated graphs. Streamlit and Plotty makes it easy to explore and analyze data in real time. So this is an animated graph. So here we have used GDP Gapminder dataset to create scatter plots and animated graphs, showcasing various parameters such as GDP per capita, life expectancy, and population. By leveraging Plotty Express rich visualization capabilities, we can create visually appealing graphs that enhance data exploration and analysis. So let's go ahead and see the next page, which is again plot 1. So here, based upon the selected year, yeah, so we can add upon the filters as per our requirement. So here I've selected the year 1972, and based upon my selection, which is year 1972, we can get the corresponding data for the same year. Yeah, isn't it cool? We can also just try changing the continent, and based upon the continent selected, we'll be having the corresponding data. So let's go ahead and see what's there in SQL API. So here, once we click on this link, we'll be directed to this fast API Swagger UI. So we can insert the records in Swagger API. The SQL API provides a convenient way for the users to access and view the complete data without needing to register or log into the actual database. This means that users can query the database directly without the need for the individual accounts. OAuth or SSO authentication ensures secure access, protecting sensitive data while eliminating the need to manage separate accounts for each user. This streamlines access to data and reduces administrative overhead, providing a hassle-free experience for users. Now let's try to insert some data here. So all I have to do is just take some data and then insert here by clicking execute. And I got the message as employee data inserted successfully. I can also read the inserted data, which is 168 Soumya. So once I click on just get and try it out, execute. So I should be having the data here. So here it is. So 168 Soumya, Kalitindi, and 90K. So isn't this cool? Yeah. So I can also download this record. Yeah, whatever is there, all the records which I've inserted, I can just download that by just simply clicking on this download button. And let me show you the data. Here it is. So how cool is this, right? So Streamlit Fast API and Flask are not just tools. They are catalysts for innovation and transformations in web development. By harnessing the power of Streamlit simplicity, fast APIs flexibility, and Flash versatility, we can create many more web applications. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Thank you and have a good day.